it is not everybody that is willing or able to bring out the big box to buy brand new from the manufacturer or franchise stores. But if you are in a market for a used iPhone, there are so many things that can go wrong in the purchase process. That is why I'm making this video. So the very first thing you will do if you are in the market for a new iPhone is you ensure that you are buying it from a store. Why that is important is so that if anything goes wrong, you can actually go look for them at that location where you bought the phone. The second thing you need to do is once the person hands over the phone to you, try to unlock the phone screen. Of course, if you are unable to unlock the phone screen, you hand it back to the person and ask them to unlock it for you. If they are able to unlock it, you tell them to remove that security lock. Of course, if the phone is up for sale, the person should have already done that, but if it is not the case, you have to ensure that it is done to avoid you having difficulty when trying to use the new phone you are about to purchase. Once the screen has been unlocked, check the settings. Of course, the very first thing you should do after unlocking the phone screen is to check the settings. If any account has been left on that phone, see if the phone has been set up. The message you are supposed to see when you unlock the phone is set up your iPhone, or let's help you set up your iPhone, or something like that. It is better you unlock the phone screen, check the settings, see if there is any iCloud account attached to the device. If there is, because most stolen devices, you are likely going to have an iCloud account or email account or one thing or the other left behind from the previous owner. So you just hand it back to the person who is about to sell the phone to you to remove those accounts. If they are unable to remove those accounts, that means the phone is likely to be stolen, of course. Now, having doing these initial preliminary tests or checks on the device and everything checks out, the next thing you do is dial *#06# to bring up your IMEI number. Of course, you know where I'm going with this. You have to do an IMEI check on the device you are about to purchase. And this applies not only for iPhones, it also applies to Android users as well. So you dial *#06#, get the IMEI number and visit this website, imei.info, and type in that IMEI number into the text area that is provided for you. Do the captcha thing and then click check. What that does is it goes into their database and pulls up the device that matches that IMEI number. Once the device comes up and it matches the model and the brand of the phone that you are trying to purchase, do an IMEI blacklist check on that device. There is an option on that website where you can carry out an IMEI blacklist check. It checks whether that particular device has been blacklisted by any telecoms provider in any country of the world, because from what I have seen, that particular IMEI blacklist database is quite robust, and it contains IMEI information from most of the telecoms carriers worldwide. So check it out, and once it reports that the device is clean, you can go ahead and check whether there is an iCloud lock on the device or if there is any other form of lock. Of course, there are some free services on that website and there are some paid services on that website. By the way, this is not a sponsored content. I'm just sharing this because I believe it will be useful to you when you are going to get that new iPhone or that used iPhone, depending on what your situation is. So once everything checks out, you can part with your money and get the device and then go home. Rest assured that you are likely going to be happy with your purchase. And if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.